Hi guys, this is Ranjeet Singh. Today I'm going to talk about our sprint one work for the Simply Magical celebrations, for which we are looking for the solution of the customization problem for the t-shirts and mugs. Our sprint started on the 31st March 2020 after discussing the requirements with the Andrew Stanley and project supervisor Dr. Cameron Foyle. Our team has the four members: Ranjeet Singh, who is also a team leader, Amandeep, Shahid, and Monica. I worked for around 24 days with the 5 hours a day, and whereas the Amandeep and Shahid worked for 20 days approximately, whereas the Monica worked for the 14 days for their sprint part. I searched for the online solution that are providing the customization solution to the for the t-shirts and mugs, whereas the Amandeep and Monica worked on the literature review, and the Shahid worked on the particular solution for developing the solution using the one language like ASP.NET. He just made a rough solution about that. For the proof, I am attaching the PDF file which I created during my research part. Moving on to the individual part, what I contributed to the team project, I searched for the different kinds of websites that are providing solution for the customization for the t-shirts and the mugs. For the for the whole task, I searched for the 20 websites and analyzed all the tools that are provided and how those tools are working. After writing all those information, I just made the tabular chart which is describing all the websites on one side and all the tools on the horizontal side, and telling which feature is present in the which website and which feature is not present in the which website, so that we can make an idea which tools are more popular at the present time, and that so that can be selected to be implemented for the Simply Magical celebrations. Moving on to the next part, the skills which I used for the development of the sprint 1. As I learned a leadership project management subject in my previous semester, that taught me how to organize the tasks between the different peoples, how to manage the team members, how to keep them motivated, how to keep the work towards the common goal. All those skills I applied practically during this master's project. Apart from that, I also created the work breakdown structure and Gantt chart, which I learned during my leadership project and leadership subject, and those skills are I used during this master's project. Moving on to the next question, what particularly I learned from this sprint. This sprint taught me a lot of things like managing the team from the law, managing the team from how I can manage the team's problems from by living at the long distances by meeting them online. For example, two of our team members, Monica and Amandeep, who are facing problem to put the references in the end note because their system was not supporting the end note, as the system was continuously to be hanging out, so that I just searched for the online solution so that they can continue to work on their literature part. I just searched for the online solution for them and told them as a solution how they can put the references using the online EndNote into their Word file. Moving on to the next part, what could have gone better in the sprint? If the corona pandemic would not have impacted our study culture, this sprint could have been more better, more efficient than the current time it is. Because we can't meet each other's face to face. We can't listen to each other's problem at the same time and respond to them at the same time. So listening to the problem, acting on them, and providing solution back to the team members. It has a long time gap between these all these phases. So due to this, the performance or efficiency of the sprint is decreased to some extent. Thank you.